The biggest mistake rookies make isn't buying a cheap jacket. It's buying a waterproof, one that traps sweat and freezes you from the inside out. In an Ultra, you generate up to 800 watts of heat on climbs. If your base layer holds water like cotton, or your shell doesn't breathe, that sweat turns cold the second you stop moving. The goal isn't staying dry from rain, it's staying dry from yourself. But here's the trap: don't bring your camp puffy. You need active insulation like Polartec Alpha or Primaloft Active. Unlike static down, which cooks you, active insulation dumps excess heat while running but immediately traps warmth when you hike. For 90% of races, leave the heavy 3-layer Gore-Tex at home. A 50-gram wind shell offers better breathability and sufficient warmth for temperatures down to 5 degrees Celsius. It essentially weighs nothing. Here is the exact algorithm I use for race day. Screenshot this. Above 10 degrees Celsius, just a base. Between freezing and 10 degrees Celsius, add the wind shell. Below freezing is the only time the full 3-layer system comes out. Crucial rule: never pack for your coldest moment. Dress for your running output. If your mid-layer takes up 2 liters of pack space, you've failed. Aim for a total kit weight under 400 grams that compresses into a single flask pocket. My specific buy list: Patagonia Capilene Cool for the base, the Rabbit Fuel In Fly or Salomon Sense Flow for active mid, and the Black Diamond Deploy Wind Shell. This trio covers 95% of conditions. Master your layers, because hypothermia guarantees a DNF every time.